Finding the unseen through inscriptional physics. In this video, I will introduce here the science of equations known as inscriptional physics. It is a new school of thought that deals with finding equations in every object, formulas in every phenomenon, and the natural laws in every nook and cranny in the cosmos. In other words, its main goal is to uncover all the inherent laws in nature. Inscriptional physics is a concept that evolved from the theory known as inscription by design. It posits that everything is an intuitive object with embedded inscriptions. In simple terms, everything owns some inherent information, in the form of an algorithm, program, or set of instructions, much like a computer program, only that the algorithm is generated by its structural designs or natural shapes. Inscription by design was discovered when Lawson, who authored this theory, was investigating the nature of being alive, living, and with life using his intuitive machines called the biotronics. These silver species, later on, became a part of a larger study known as autognorics. Inscriptional physics is also part of a larger study known as originemology, the science behind the beginning of everything. Originemology claims that nature is the mother of all information. She functions like a brain but without the brain. Her creations are all pieces of instruction that form into instructions and eventually into a procedure or algorithm. Mother Nature is the original source, database, and storage of information. Classical ideas originated from Mother Nature. Examples of such ideas, that eventually transform into realities, are airplanes from birds, helicopters from dragonflies, submarines from whales, and wheels from rolling tumbleweed, to name a few. A good example of an object that comes with inherent equations is the circle. A circle is made up of several instructions. Without these instructions, the circle will never exist. Its circumference, diameter, and radius are parts of its inscription. These parts are actually pieces of instruction that when combined form into an equation. For example, the circumference or parameter of a circle is the total length of its side or edge. It can be computed using the formula c equals 2 pi and its radius r. It can also be calculated by using c equal to pi times its diameter. If one of its parts is missing, the circle will never exist at all. This principle is based on the single theory of everything. Aside from extracting equations or formulas from objects, another objective of IP6 is to trace back the origin of how equations are formed or formulated. A good example of this is tracing the origin of how Einstein E equals mc2 was formulated, and here are the results. Remember that everything exists because other things cause it to exist, otherwise, nothing will ever exist at all. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. This is your Elegant Equation channel signing off.